Hi everybody, this is Jordan Day with Recur. In today's video, we'll be doing a tutorial on how to use the invoicing section of Recur. So we're going to be spending most of our time today in the revenue section, and then invoices is right underneath the revenue section. So this is where we are. Now, Recur makes it easy to track all of your invoices for your different kinds of transactions, your recurring payments, your events, your memberships, one-time transactions. All of those things can be tracked here. So we have two different dashboard views of how you can view these invoices. We call them status and stage. You can view either or. Right now we're looking at the status view. So you can see which invoices have not been sent, which are sent, which invoices are paid, overdue, on hold, or canceled. These are all quick filters up top. So maybe we want to see our 15 overdue invoices. We can just click on that and it'll filter that for us. And same thing for all these other boxes. We can come in here and filter our invoices based on whatever we want to do. Now, the hold box is for transactions like that have to be approved. So maybe you have a membership that people can apply to be a member, but you actually have to approve their application. So they can register and fill out a form, but you guys have to actually approve them. Those will show up in the hold section for you guys to approve. Now, we also have a stage dashboard for your invoices, so you can view your pipeline. This is for more sales-based associations or organizations that are trying to bring on new members constantly. You can track, where are those people in the pipeline. You can, make a funnel and funnel them down until they're a member. So great way to keep track of where people are at in a pipeline view. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pretty much, draft, opportunity, proposal, closed or won, and closed or lost. So great way to keep track of those sales-based groups. Now let's go back to our status and view some of these invoices so you guys can see what's going on here. So as far as invoices go, once they are sent or paid, you can't edit them, obviously, because they've been sent or paid. But for those that are not sent, we can come take a look at some of these. So let's look at this Jordan Day, $100. Let's look at this payment. So we can see exactly what this is for. It's for a $100 membership, and there's no processing fee. It's got a due date, so this is overdue, and it's in the draft on our stage. So we can edit any of these things and save it. And then if we need to send this to Jordan, we can do that. If we need to mark it as paid, so maybe they pay us with cash, or a check, we can mark it as paid offline and we'll be good to go. So let's go back to our invoices and, say you need to make a new invoice, you can just click new sale and you can do a one-time payment, split payment. Split payment would be more, maybe they have a transaction that they want to pay monthly on. So maybe it's $100 and they want to pay $33 a month for 3 months. You can set those up. We can also do recurring payments, hence the name Recur. So maybe you want to charge people annually for their memberships, just auto charge their credit card. Great way of doing the recurring payments right here. And then we also have event payments. These are specifically for people that want to sign up for an event offline. So maybe they want to pay you cash for an event registration. You can set up an event payment invoice. You just click on that and select which event they're going to come to, and you're good to go. So maybe the test retreat too costs $100. You can mark this invoice up, ready to go, and save them as paid for that event. And it will actually automatically put them in the event and mark them as part of the capacity. So really nice there. This is pretty good overview of the invoicing section. As always, we tried to make things simple for you to come in here and do what needs to get done to manage your organization. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we're happy to help. Thank you. Bye-bye.